In a monumental leap towards a connected future, Pakistan proudly launches its second satellite into space. Introducing PAKSAT MM1, a beacon of progress and innovation. In collaboration with China, the advanced communication satellite, PAKSAT MM1, was launched from the Xichang Satellite Launch Center, marking a significant milestone for Pakistan's space ambitions. As the rocket ascends, it carries with it the hopes and aspirations of millions. PAKSAT MM1 is set to usher Pakistan into the digital era, providing high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of the country. Taking approximately 4 days to reach its designated orbit, PAKSAT MM1 is equipped with advanced communication technologies. It will operate across C, Ku, K bands and offer S-band services in L-band, addressing the ever-growing demands for seamless connectivity. With PAKSAT MM1, high-speed internet will become a reality for all, bridging the digital divide and transforming lives across Pakistan. PAKSAT MM1 is more than just a satellite. It is a catalyst for socio-economic uplift, fostering a digital revolution that will pave the way for a brighter future. This achievement follows Pakistan's historic lunar mission, IQ, which successfully captured and transmitted its inaugural images from lunar orbit, marking a significant milestone in our space exploration journey. PAKSAT MM1 stands as a testament to Pakistan's commitment to technological advancement and its unwavering pursuit of progress. With PAKSAT MM1, Pakistan steps confidently into the future, embracing a new era of connectivity and opportunity. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.